Today I'm going to show you guys how I build my plasma speaker. Basically, this works by taking an audio input from your phone and generating a high-frequency plasma arc that can expand and contract the air to produce sound waves. So this is the power input, which takes 12 volts. This is the motherboard of it. This is the IC chip, and this is the heart of what generates the circuit, or the frequency. This is the aux cord, which you plug into your phone, and this basically tells this at what frequency to pulse the power through the primary of this transformer. And based on that frequency, voltage would be stepped up, but at the same frequency set by this IC chip. And that is what makes this arc expand and contract. So these are the two output rods, the secondary of the flyback transformer. And so this is where all the magic happens, where the plasma jumps across this arc and operates at the frequency which is set by the driving circuit, which you can control with the aux cord to produce sound. If I had a nickel for every time I've been shocked by this thing, I would be wealthier than Mr. Beast.
Alright, pause it.
So quiet.
I cannot hear it.
Oh yeah.
Be able to just hit play from there.
Oh. I'm gonna let this cool down because one of the wires was shorted. Actually, could you just pop it in the fridge? Make way, Hot Pockets. Very good.
A few moments later.
Hey! Don't blow up the iPhone!
Alright guys, that was the plasma speaker. Hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any song requests, please leave one down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.